of Standard 8. This is the lecture number 1 of your chapter number 3, right? As we know that this is a very interesting chapter because I know that you all love history, right? Now, I want to ask you the easiest question, that is that recently we have celebrated one national festival. Which was that? Yes, your answer is right. That is Independence Day, right? We have celebrated Independence Day. Can anyone tell from all of you that on which date we have celebrated this day? Tell me the answer. Yes, your answer is correct one. That is 15th August. We have celebrated our Independence Day. Lastly, we have celebrated 74th Independence Day of India. So, can you tell that on which date and on which year we have celebrated first Independence Day? When we have got independence? Can anyone tell me? Yes, I know that you all are very much loving your country and you love all the details of your country, and your answer is correct one. That is 15th August 1947 was the day when we got independence and we have celebrated, right? So in this chapter we are going to go in the past. We are going to have some glimpses of the past, and that's why only the name of chapter is Glimpses of the Past. Now in this session, in this lecture, the details of chapter number 3 we are going to have. First of all, the introduction of this chapter, Glimpses of the Past, it tells to us that the lesson gives us a short and precise description, because we know that there were so many people who have sacrificed their life for the freedom of country, for the freedom of India. And whether we are knowing them, whether we are not knowing them, right, their names are familiar to us or not, right, नामी अनामी कितने सारे लोगों ने मिलके fight की. They have sacrificed their life, and after that we have got freedom, right? Obviously we are having value of freedom, and I hope that we all will be forever remembering the sacrifice of life of those people, that because of them we are just now enjoying the freedom, right? So coming back to this, that if we'll just read the stories of history of the freedom fighting, there can be lots of books and books and books on the history of India, the freedom fighting of India. But here we are having very short and precise description of events that took place in our country from 1757 to 1857 only. So here we are not having all the details till 1947, 1950, but we will have the incidents, the events from 1757 to 1857, right? Secondly, it enlisted in incidents that led to First War of Independence. It provides a glimpses of how the British East India Company expanded powers and exploited Indians, right? This is so important. What they have expanded and what they have exploited. They were just making so many new policies, and by that they have ruined the Indians, right? The people of India. So this is so important for us to remember, to have this thing, that how they have gained their power, how they have expanded their powers and the ruling thing, and they have exploited Indians, they have ruined Indians. So in this chapter we are going to have one by one, the story by story, the details of the same. In this, enlisted that led to the first War of Independence. Now, why we have to make fight? What were the things by which they have ruled to us, right? What were the reasons, right, in which they can expand the powers? They could be expanded the powers. What are the reasons, right, that we will see in this story? Now I hope that you have understood the introduction. So the lesson gives us very short description, precise description of event that already we have seen, and expanded or explored. Expansion किसका हुआ? The right company's power. Which company was there? East India Company. British East India Company. Right? In the name there is coming India, but they have not given any kind of good powers or good things. So now moving to the first topic of yours, in which represents that this scene, right? This is a pictorial story and pictures दिए हैं उनके पास, bubbles दिए हैं उनमें हमें क्या दिया है? Details, and like that we have to go to the story. This scene represents a function that took place in Delhi, right? In Delhi. Lata Mangeshkar can be singing "ए मेरे वतन के लोगों." Who is singing? Lata Mangeshkar. This is important for you. Whenever we are celebrating Independence Day on 15th of August, whenever we are celebrating our second national festival, that is 26th January, which is that day? It is celebrated as, can anyone tell? Can anyone tell? Yes, oh, absolutely you are right. Your answer must be Republic Day, right? On which we have got and we have implemented the Constitution of India. So here, the scene represents a function that took place in Delhi. And this is the very famous song for all of us. Because whenever we are celebrating these 2 days, widely we can hear this song. Right? उस दिन सबसे पहला song सब यही बजाते हैं, right? In a voice of Lata Mangeshkar, that is "ए मेरे वतन के लोगों." And you can see this legendary person कि उस time पे भी उन्होंने गाना शुरू किया था, आज के दिन में भी, right? She is living, so she is like living legend. Lata Mangeshkar can be seen singing "ए मेरे वतन के लोगों." Alongside her, Indira Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Lal Bahadur Shastri also can be seen. So these names you have to remember. Alongside her it means here we have to take Lata Mangeshkar. Indira Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Lal Bahadur Shastri also can be seen. So Indira Gandhi, first person you have to remember. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, then second person you have to remember. The name of third person, Lal Bahadur Shastri, that also you have to remember. Now today I am giving you task. Today I am giving you task that you have to find out the information of Indira Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Lal Bahadur Shastri. Whenever we have got independence and we have implemented the constitution and democracy जब start हुई इंडिया में, right? और सबसे पहले प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन थे, सबसे पहले प्रेसिडेंट कौन थे एंड सबसे पहले वाइस प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन थे, सो एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट. सो दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू क्या थे, राइट? व्हाट वाज द पोस्ट ऑफ इंदिरा गांधी एंड व्हाट वाज द पोस्ट ऑफ लाल बहादुर शास्त्री, राइट? ये तीनों की तीनों मैच करोगे तो आपको मिल ही जाएगा आंसर, बट दैट यू हैव टू find out from yourself. Why? Because whenever you will find the information with the names of these, so you will get more information also regarding those people, and it is very much important to know the history of India. So this is what the first scene of our chapter, that is glimpses of a past. After that we are having so many kinds of I think near about 7 to 8 pictorial stories we have been given, and time by time we have been given. Before we go further, I want to share some things regarding the glimpses of the past, right? Many a times in the mind, in the heart of person, it is there that if there will be my name will be famous in all over the world, then and then only I will just do this work, right? आजकल ऐसी होती है ना मेंटालिटी, हार्ट ऐसा कहता है, माइंड ऐसा कहता है, हमारा ब्रेन ऐसा कहता है कि चलो I will donate 10 lakhs rupees, पर आप मेरा नाम यहाँ पे ऊपर लिखना, राइट? हम सबको पता है, अगर हाँ बोले कि ना बोले, दिस इज द रियलिटी. एंड विद दिस वी आर हैविंग सो मेनी अदर पीपल दोज टू, कि हमारे ऐसी कहावत है कि एक हाथ से दो, राइट? डोनेशन की बात, डोनेट करने की बात करें, दान करने की बात करें, एक हाथ से अगर दान करो तो दूसरे हाथ को भी पता ना चलना चाहिए. ऐसा अगर दान हो तो हमें कुछ अच्छी चीजें, अच्छे वाइब्स मिलेंगे, राइट? So this is what, and nowadays I think almost people are having that I am donating 10 lakh rupees, so मेरा नाम यहाँ पे होना चाहिए कि इस पर्सन ने इतने रुपीस दिए. Now you just think over it कि अगर उस टाइम पे, जिस टाइम की बात कर रहे हैं, from 1757 to 1857, अगर उस टाइम पे इन लोगों ने ऐसा सोचा होता तो that I am just sacrificing my whole life, right? Then my name must be in a history, right? My name must be written in a history that this person has sacrificed their life. No, it was not there in those people, right? They were eager to sacrifice their life for the country, right? For the country, India, Hindustan, Bharat, because they were very passionate about it. They have never thought of 1 minute also that I will lost my life. So this is what's so important nowadays also. The donate and दान की बात कर रहे थे, but we are having our armies, we are having our soldiers, right? They are just fighting at border. They are never having thought of 1 second also that if I will go in front and the enemy will shoot me and I will lose my life. So they are not having single thought of fear to sacrifice their life. Why? Because they are fighting for the country. So with this chapter, we all have to promise ourselves that they are paying their duties at the border. We have to pay our duties at our criteria, at our point, right? If we cannot go just now to the border, so what can we do from here? We can clean our house, we can clean our street, we can make clean our society, we can make clean the state, the nation, right? We are not supposed to break the rules and regulations, right? And so many things are there. Just if you are planting one tree and taking care until it is not grown, so that is also you have done your duties, right? You have increased 1% to make the city green, to make the country green. You have contributed yourself. So this is so important that where we are, जहाँ पे भी है, जो भी काम कर रहे हैं, जो भी एज है, हम हमारे साइड से क्या कर सकते हैं कंट्री के लिए? How we can contribute to the country, to the welfare of the country. It is not always so कि आप 10 लाख रुपीस या 50 लाख रुपीस आप कंट्री को दो तो ही आपने अच्छी ड्यूटी अदा की है, ऐसा नहीं होता. But to the welfare of the country, to the goodness of country, what you are doing, that is so important, right? So we have to understand, we have to think what we can do for the country, and that would be, I think, the best serving to the nation, right? बॉर्डर पे वो काम कर रहे, यहाँ पे हम काम कर रहे, यूनिटी से रहे, right? अभी जो चल रहा है, the situation, the circumstances are, तो उसमें unnecessary बाहर ना जाए, right? जो भी गाइडलाइंस है उसको फॉलो करें तो हम भी बच सकते हैं, हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स, हमारे रिलेटिव्स, एवरीथिंग. इट मीन्स द ड्यूटी इज व्हाट वी कैन कंट्रीब्यूट टू our country. That is most important. It doesn't matter that where we are, what we are, what is the age of ours, right? So I hope that you all will just do, I think you all are doing your duties well, right? So hoping the same, that you will be continuing with the same thing, and the next topics we will see in the next session. So till time, goodbye, take care, have a nice day.
आभार।